All right, XRP traders, it looks like everything is lining up for a big move. We've touched our 319 zone, pushed back up to $3.33, and now the charts are showing we might get one last pullback to $3.21 before takeoff. In this update, I'll break down exactly what I'm seeing and on all the time frames and why I think this could be the setup for our next major push. Let's get on over into it. Looking here on the daily, I can zoom in here and we can see that we have already pulled down, touching our green line right here. So we came down, we come under, and then of course we had that spike. It pushed up, back down, and touched where we was looking at right here on that 320. We called that out earlier. On the 4-hour chart, when we go and we look at it here, we're already showing that we are in that uptrend. We still have a little more of a upwards to go. Yes, we could pull back down into what I'm looking at is probably about a $3.21 area. Okay, that's helping us prep up for takeoff. But when you come on down in the lower time frames, like 2-hour stuff, you're starting to see that, yes, we got a little bit more of a pullback coming right before we're going to finish pushing all the way up on the 2-hour, which could push us up well over that 333 and into well over our all-time high. The 1-hour chart showing that we're closing in on that overbought area, which means that, yes, we will be pulling back down towards that 320 area one more time. All right. Moving over to the 30-minute time frame, we got the confirmation here. We got the yellow line that it's going to come back down. It's going to touch it. 321. Now let's not just, not just throw it out there and say it, but, there is still this 318 to 316 is still in play, but we are looking at the possibilities of this 321 could be our launch pad. Because when I'm looking at on the time frames, everything is getting set up. Look right here. The yellow line has already crossed over our blue. Next, it'll be crossing over the pink, and then that blue will cross over the pink. So right now, we are in transitioning from bearish on the 15-minute time frames to bullish. All right. 30-minute time frame has already flipped to bullish. 5-minute time frame is already bullish. The 1-minute time frame is pulled down because it's trying to grab that last bit that we have to pull it back to the upside, giving us bullish on all time frames. It is truly looking like this is our launch pad. XRP is ready for takeoff. We're looking at a $3.21, pullback could be the launch pad. And yes, there is still that possibility of all the way down to 316, but looking at this is looking more bullish than I've seen in a while, and I've been waiting for this. So that's where we're at right now. 321 is my key level to watch for this pullback, and from there, XRP could be primed for a strong move to the upside. Keep an eye on those lower time frames for that last bit of downside before the launch. If you found this update helpful, hit that like button, drop your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe so you don't miss the next move. My links are in the description. They're in the bio. You can join my Discord. You can get these indicators also in my Discord. You can learn how to, understand these indicators. It's all in the Discord. Stay safe, and I will see you in the next update.